If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face, I hear the voice, and you don't know, say a KOGENCY. But a KOGENCY Rocks channel. And today, we have 156 WorkRate plugged in with Fumez, dog. Like, how many times is this nigga gonna end up unplugged in? This is the third time now. Cause him have the one with him, Nito, and 60 will get taken down. Him have the one with him and Nito we're still up. And now, like, well, hey, I'm not complaining still because, like, bro, I know, say I'm gonna fuck, I can't even talk. I know I'm gonna fuck with this freestyle, bro. I know it, dog. I don't even hear the beat before I don't hear any previews. All I see is a nigga cover him whole face with a red bandana, dog. That's all I need to see, bro. That mean I'm getting all the drill, all that grease from the 6, dog. You know what I'm saying? The 1, the 5, and the 6 combined. Are you crazy? What? Listen me, man. Bro, I don't... And the song them we've been a listen from WorkRate for the past 2 weeks, bro. All those unreleased songs, all those exclusives, and the songs that he's been releasing officially. Bro, I feel like I've been talking way too much. I don't need to talk so much, dog. Y'all niggas know what's up. So, yo, hit that like button, jump in the comments for no reason, trigonometry gang, and yeah, man, let's jump into this shit.
Plugged in with Fumez the engineer. Gang shit.
Gang shit.
Free my niggas.
Aye.
Free the ops.
Sensei.
No.
Alright.
I was when something got chinged on that road, or something got chinged on that road. But the up boys still chat that there's an angle. By 18, I had 10 on my throat. I was up with it.
No. I know some people probably like, bro, the sound just started, dog. Like, let the song play. Bro, no. No, fam. I'm not letting certain shit slide anymore, dog. And in 2022, it's gonna be worse. I'm not letting certain lyrics slide. Why? What you mean at 18 you had more than 10 or at least 10 on the ching? Like, what's going on? Ho, bro. Like, you know, shouldn't you still be in school at that time? Like, what's going on, dog? How you have time to get more than 10 niggas on your blade by 18? That don't make any sense. But after that line, I'm just gonna let him spit. You know what I'm saying? But I can't let certain shit slide anymore, bro. I'm not doing it.
And got chinged on that road. But the up boys still chat that there's an angle. By 18, I had 10 on my throat. I was up where they at though. How many times have I slid at the I was 19 trying to test my backbone, bro. Clock that face and afro. Lift up the ting like Bismillah. Cop that back, lean back, let that go. Lift up the ting, got stuck for the law, man. Cop that back, lean back, let that go. Niggas know me, I'm on violent stuff. This mount, man, out, dip a clown and clock.
Rise it like Bismillah, and then after I clap it, I stop for a laugh. Cause you're not like, dog. Oh my God. Like, stop, bro. Just stop. That way enough, you know what I'm saying? It's doing these things.
Afro. Lift up the ting like Bismillah. Cop that back, lean back, let that go. Lift up the ting, got stuck for the law, man. Cop that back, lean back, let that go. Niggas know me, I'm on violent stuff. This mount, man, out, dip a clown and clock. He got opened up outside the now everyone's blaming us. But you know us, we don't give 2 fucks. Don't slide back, chingo, aim and bust. Come check my side, really live this life. You just get by, cause your acting's good. How many up blocks tape from a knife? Really caught bare fish like cap.
Man say you just get by cause your acting's good. You just trick the fans that, you know what I'm saying? You just imitate the other real niggas that's doing it so people think that you doing it. But we know, and you know that you really ain't doing it. That's crazy, dog. Man say, yo, Oscar nominated and Emmy nominated acting role. Crazy.
Live this life, you just get by, cause your acting's good. How many up blocks tape from a knife? Really caught bare fish like Captain Hope. 20 Ascars took all the guys, so I pray to Allah that that man name's good. How many ops that I on main road, back road, stomach and chest and back? If you think about riding back in the gulag, no cap, broski.
Like Fumez, I feel it in his chest. You say, nigga, shit in his chest. Like, goddamn. Like, hi.
So that on main road, back road, stomach and chest and back. If you think about riding back in the gulag, no cap, broski's best you pack. I know they think twice before they ride, how many times they slid and they bucked them whack. I know they think twice before they ride, how many times they slid and they bucked them whack. How many times am I stainless leak and the haters raw, get through and they're bleeding. But I'm riding so to up, get screwed, cause I'm really on draws, no doubt, no speaking. And I'll do it again, everyone knows we'll do it again. Burn that whip, then buy new things and now the pagans going through it again. How many clips do we dump in? That up block really knows we does this. We got the whole of Paro, how many nanks do we using? All these years and he ain't scored one back. How the hell could I rate these muppets? Blood gets shed when my knife's backed out. You can violate me and you'll find that out. Thank Allah for the drills I dunk. I could have been sitting on the dock right now. Got turned to
Bro, I don't think Allah wants you to be doing drills though, you understand? So like, you know, should you even be thanking him? Because I don't think he has anything to do with your drills.
Thank Allah for the drills I dunk. I could have been sitting on the dock right now. Got turned to the lights went flashing, the lights turned. Still ride out if you draw gang out. My man should have done a quemp. How many up boys dashed and planked when I back this rams and I splash your man?
Now after you hear that again, 'cause I don't know what he said.
No, got turned to the lights went flashing, the lights turned. Still ride out if you draw gang out. My man should have done a quemp. How many up boys dashed and planked when I back this rams and I splash your man? How many times did I damp this ninth attempted pack when I grabbed your man? My little bro rolls with the exact shoe my broski used to fuck your man. Anything got me confused, went round for the broski slapped and died. Can't talk about works, that's a disrespect. If you throw L's up, that's what I expect. Say the right word and hit the wrong nerve.
No. I know you're about to flow down, but you can't after saying things like that.
Shoe my broski used to fuck your man.
Listen to.
Snakes attempted pack when I grabbed your man. My little bro rolls with the exact shoe my broski used to fuck your man. Anything got me confused, went round for the broski slapped and died.
Like, what go on, dog? What go on? The exact one, like, what go on? We don't care about the federales anymore and information and these things we don't care about, you understand? We don't care about jail time, prison time. We just run it off easy, 20 years, easy. Alright, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because you're talking about the same murder, whatever. Like, no, stop.
My broski used to fuck your man. Attempted pack when I grabbed your man. My little bro rolls with the exact shoe my broski used to fuck your man. Anything got me confused, went round for the broski slapped and died. Can't talk about works, that's a disrespect. If you throw L's up, that's what I expect. Say the right word and hit the wrong nerve. We attempt that pack when we skid it on them. Take the right turn and rev the on curb. This matter decamp, come on hold this shit. Always got the right verse and the clock in his worth. No, it's nothing but facts when a pad touch pen. No, it's nothing but facts on serious stuff. Lurking, purging, that's a frequent hunt. If we clock that face, fuck somebody's song. We're busting our guns, do we inject some?
No. You're not you, bro, I'm tired of telling these niggas in the dog, you're not just going to flow like that and continue now. I'm not letting certain shit slide. You're going to flow again. Do it again.
No, we attempt that pack. That's a disrespect. If you throw L's up, that's what I expect. Say the right word and hit the wrong nerve. We attempt that pack when we skid it on them. Take the right turn and rev the on curb. This matter decamp, come on hold this shit. Always got the right verse and the clock in his worth. No, it's nothing but facts when a pad touch pen. No, it's nothing but facts on serious stuff. Lurking, purging, that's a frequent hunt. If we clock that face, fuck somebody's song. We're busting our guns, do we inject some? How many drills got done by? Right now, say numerous ones. Niggas know 6 gang, we throw him down when he swam in his pond. I know you know that we got down. We kept chinging till we made him melt. Me did that as well. 3 stabs on it off.
What do you mean you made him melt? Like, is the nigga named Ice or something? Like, that must be it, dog. Cause like, what do you mean you chinged him and made the nigga melt? Like, just replay everything, dog.
I touch pen, no, it's nothing but facts on serious stuff. Lurking, purging.
Yeah, like even Fumez has my mood, dog. I'm just shaking my head like, dog. Like, what do I even say? Like, I already said, oh my God. I'm already what like Jesus Christ. I'm already like, God damn, like, no, I'm just like, what the fuck do I say? I swear to God. What do I say? What do you say, bro? After a while, you can't even say anything, dog. You just have to sit there and just let him speak.
The clock in his worth, no, it's nothing but facts when a pad touch pen. No, it's nothing but facts on serious stuff. Lurking, purging, that's a frequent hunt. If we clock that face, fuck somebody's song. We're busting our guns, do we inject some? How many drills got done by? Right now, say numerous ones. Niggas know 6 gang, we throw him down when he swam in his pond. I know you know that we got down. We kept chinging till we made him melt. Me did that as well. 3 stabs on it off. He fell, but this beef ain't done and you fucking dumb. So me and did that as well. And I'll do it again. Everyone knows we'll do it again. Burn that whip and buy new things, and now the pagans going through it again.
Fumez, the engineer.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Sensei, with the beat there. WorkRate on the street here. Like a dog, I can't even, Fuck the rhyming thing, trying to, I need to get my brain around what I just listened to. Oh my God. By 18, the nigga had 10 on his shank. Dog, when Bully B said it, dog, I thought it was a rare thing to have more than 10 on your shank, I guess not. I guess a lot of niggas have more than 10 on the shank. All right, fam. Still mad, but like, alright, doing the thing. Dog, the flows, fam. When him switch up the flow right here, so bro, at this part, don't you, sir? Right here, sir. Take the right turn and make the wrong man, but like what?
You can violate me and you'll find that out. Thank Allah for the
No. Stop thanking Allah for the drills you done as well, bro. Allah do I have nothing to do with the drills.
pack when I grabbed your man. My little bro rolls with the exact shoe my broski used to pack your man. Anything got me confused, went round for the broski, slapped and died. Can't talk about
Mike, go to the flow now, man.
turn a rev the on
Yes, right here.
the right word and hit.
Yeah, right here, bro.
If you throw L's up, that's what I expect. Say the right word and hit the wrong nerve. We attempt that pack when we skid it on them. Take the right turn and rev the on curb. This matter decamp, come and hold this shit.
You know what I'm saying? Like, say the right word, touch the wrong nerve, something wrong, we're gonna kill you, basically. And then make the right turn and up on that curb. When I decam, you're gonna hold this chef like, dog, like, I can't even, like, wow. There's so much more that I missed as well that when I go back and I listen to it again, I'm just gonna be like, dog, what the fuck is wrong with this nigga, bro? I swear to God. But this was nice though. Regardless of all the violence and all, like, flow-wise, the only thing I wish that the beat did have like different sections, you understand, and not just, you know, the same and then same like, I just wish the beat did have different sections, so you understand. But it's a freestyle, so I can understand, you know, just the constant beat so the man can spit in bars, so I understand that. But you know me, I'm a beat lover, so I love when the beats have a story to tell while the niggas are telling their stories as well. And that rhymed. And y'all go hell. But anyway, hit that like button. Jump in the comments for no reason. Trigger on my chick gang. And you don't know, KOGENCY on the KOGENCY channel. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl.